first I will deal with time and work, then we can solve questions on pipes and cisterns, guys. Both time and work, pipes and cisterns are going on the same concept, but only in the case of pipes and cisterns, we have the concept of negative efficiency where negative work is done. Okay. So in the concept of time and work, basically we deal with the positive efficiency of work to be done. Okay. So as we have speed is equal to distance by time, in the concept of time and work, we have a basic formula. Okay. One basic formula we have, that is nothing but efficiency of a person equal to total work divided by time. Efficiency of a person equal to total work divided by time. What is the meaning of this? So work means whatever it might be the task that is allocated to the person. So that is mentioned in the question. And they will not mention what is the total work in the question. They will mention what is the time taken by the person to complete the work. Okay. Based on that, we have to find out efficiency and we can use the storyline of the question to find out. In the questions of time and work or pipes and cisterns, there is a fixed process to solve, guys. Okay. I will tell you the fixed process after the explanation of basic concept is done. Please follow the same. Depending upon the last storyline of the questions are categorized into different kinds. Okay. So let's see here. 3n9 work equal to time into efficiency. Yes, yes. See, if you want to solve the three parameters, you can frame the equation with respect to these three parameters in any way. I'm writing here in the short notation. Efficiency is equal to total work by time. This is one formula. If you want total work, then you can write efficiency into time. And if you want a time, you can write total work divided by efficiency. Okay. Few questions they can ask you to find out efficiency, and few can be asked for total work, and few can be asked for time to complete the work. Okay. So depending upon the expression that you need to solve for the question, you can use this and you can solve for the question, guys. Okay. And what is the work that they are doing in the question? They'll mention in the question, but they'll not mention what is the total number of units of work that you have to do. Okay. So first see the application areas. So working with individual efficiencies. What is the meaning of individual efficiency? Let's say that you are supposed to write an exam. Okay. So you with your individual efficiency in the given time, with your efficiency, you will finish the task of writing the exam. Okay. If let's say everyone is writing their semester examinations. Okay. So no group work here. Individual efficiency means you have to complete the task of writing the exam. Writing the exam is the work that you are doing here, and with your efficiency, you will take some time to complete the work. And the next one is nothing but group of people working together or work equivalents or man days. So group of people working together means let's say that you are designing a project and you can have 2 to 3 members in the project. Okay. So minimum 2, maximum 3. So group of people working together means whenever people are working together, you can take the help of your friend, right? Yes or no? That means you can make use of your friend's efficiency and get the work done. Okay. You will be dividing the work among yourself and you will be performing the task or performing the given work with your collective efficiency. Okay. What is the meaning of collective efficiency? Means whenever we say collective efficiency, you can just add the efficiency of all the people. Individual efficiency means one person efficiency cannot be affecting the other person, but this group of people working together means whenever you say that people are working together, you can just add their efficiency and then you can do for the work. Okay. We can divide the work 3 and 9. Yes, yes. Next, division of wages. Wages means it is based on the efficiency. So depending upon the efficiency that you have, depending upon the time that you have taken to do the work, you will be given amount. Amount or profit or wage, terminology is anything, process is the same. Okay. Let's go for the next. So what we will be doing main is estimating what is the time to complete a job and then finding out the potential. Potential is nothing but efficiency, guys. Okay. So we can find out time and efficiency in the questions. See here, in every class you will be having index, guys. So once the class is done, you should be able to understand and answer all those model questions. Okay. And coming part to the test, test means it is with respect to the whole topic of time and work and pipes and systems. The entire topic of pipes and systems and time and work, all the application levels can't be covered in 3 hours. Whatever the logics that you have learned in class, with the help of that, you can solve the questions in test after the practice. Okay. So first one, efficiency and time related questions. Next, adding or leaving concept. Next, alternative working. Next, comparing their efficiency and wages and mandates concept. You have the 6 model questions in time and work, and the same model questions can be there in pipes and systems, along with the irrespective of this wages logic. Okay. So what is this adding and leaving means? Once the work got started, few people can join the work and few people can leave the work. Alternative working means if one person is starting the work, next the other person can come and finish the work. Okay. So that is the same part, guys. Once you see the storyline of the question, you will be getting better understanding on solving the questions. Okay. Let's go for the next. Model 1. Total you have 6 models here. Few questions you can answer easily, guys, but try to understand what is the base point of this time and work to solve. Here is the question. 2 men can do a work in 8 days and then 4 men will do in how many days? Just by looking at the question, you can answer it. Please don't take much time. Please don't take much time. 2 men can do the work in 8 days. Then 4 men will do in how many days? Harshita and Rajkumar, super. Students, please see the logic. Pavan, 2 men is doing in 8 days, right? Then 4 men will take how many days to complete the work? Super. See, let's say here, you can divide it into man and the number of days. Okay. So 2 men is taking how many days to complete the work? 8 days. Next, 4 men will obviously take less number of days to complete the work. Yes or no? If 2 people are there, you are able to complete the work in 8 days. If 4 people are there, obviously you will take less time to complete the work. Why? Because when manpower is more, the time that you are taking will be reduced. Yes or no? So here manpower is exactly double times. That means the time will be exactly half. The time will be exactly half. Otherwise, you can do like this. So when 2 persons are taking 8 days, 4 persons will be taking obviously less. So 2 by 4 multiplied by 8. 4 ones and 4 twos, that is equal to 4 days. And we do have one shortcut also. See the shortcut here. If the number of persons doing the work doubles, then the time taken will be half. Basically, if number of people are increasing, time taken will decrease, because manpower is more and then they'll take less time to complete the work. Okay. If the number of persons are exactly double, then time taken will be exactly half. So are you clear with it, guys? Let's go for the next one, 4 days. Here is the next one. So from this question onwards, the process of solving the question is going to be fixed process. Okay. So I'll explain the process. First, after seeing the question, you have to identify how many people are there in the question. How many people are there? Whether 2 people are there, 3 are there, 4 are there. Because after reading the question with respect to number of lines, the questions can be little lengthy. They can give the information in the last 2 lines or 3 lines. First, take some time to read the question. So how many people are there in the question? After understanding that, next point is try to see whether they have given the time to complete the whole work or otherwise some part of the work. If they have given the time to complete the whole work, then take the LCM of times in the question. LCM is nothing but your total work, and you have the base value of efficiency. Efficiency is nothing but total work by time. Using this base concept, we can solve for the question. Okay. So let's see and answer the question. Already we got responses. Super. 136 Mahata. Done. So let's not take more time here, guys. What is the first step that you have to do? Read the question and understand how many persons are there. Manu can build a wall in 15 days. Paul can build the same wall in 12 days. Manu, Paul, and Hari can do it in 6 days. So Hari can do alone build the wall in how many days? Okay. So if that is the question, I can see here Manu is there and Paul is there and Hari is there. 3 people are there. Okay. And 15 days, 12 days and 6 days is the time that is used to complete the whole work. If that is the case, then you can take here directly. Time taken by Manu equal to 15 days, time taken by Paul equal to 12 days, and time taken by Manu, Paul and Hari is equal to 6 days. Okay. So time taken by Manu is 12, time taken by Paul is 15, time taken by Paul is 12, and then all the three is 6. So what is the next step that you have to do? Guys, you have many methods. You can use your ratios method to answer the question, or you can use your fractions method to answer the question, or you can use your LCM method to answer for the question. Okay. The best way that we are suggesting to follow is a LCM method. You can solve the questions using fractions or ratios or LCM, but please follow LCM method. Okay. So let's take the LCM of 15, 12 and 6. You can do it with 3 also. I'm directly doing it with 6 guys. Okay. So 6 twos and ones, right? So 15 twos 30, 33 is 180. So what is the LCM? LCM is nothing but 180. If LCM is equal to 180, you can say that the total work is nothing but 180. Okay. So I'm writing here total work is nothing but 180. You have the process of finding the efficiency, right? Efficiency equal to work by time. So efficiency of Manu equal to 180 divided by 15, which is equal to 12. Next, efficiency of Paul equal to 180 divided by 12, which is equal to 15. Efficiency of Manu, Paul, and then Hari, all the three values is equal to 180 divided by 6, which is equal to 30. Okay. So now try to understand by looking at the efficiency values. Efficiency of all the 3 persons is 30. Efficiency of Manu is 12 and efficiency of Paul is equal to 15. Okay. So if that is the case, then how can I find out efficiency of Hari? Efficiency of Hari is nothing but Manu, Paul, and then Hari, and efficiency of Manu you have to subtract, and efficiency of Paul you have to subtract. Okay. So that is nothing but 30 minus 27, which is equal to 3. I can say that efficiency of Hari is equal to 3 units. What they're asking in the end of the question, Hari can alone do the work in how many days means time taken by Hari is nothing but time equal to work by efficiency. Work is how much? 180. Efficiency is 3, which is nothing but 60 days. Okay. Which is nothing but 60 days. Option D. So if you know already how to solve this question, then that is super fine with it, guys. We can finish it off the easy model questions fast, and then discuss the tricky questions where the condition need to be concentrated. So every one of you are you clear with the question, or you want the explanation once again? I'm asking here itself, guys, because every question, if we are repeating twice, it will be like same questions we are. Okay, okay. I'll repeat it once again. The same process we are going to solve for every question. Okay. If you have missed it, please check it out. First point, after reading the question, how many people are there? That is done. 3 people are there, Paul, Manu, and Hari. Next. Whether they have given the complete time to complete the whole work or some part of the work. Completing whole work. It can be individually completing the work, it can be together completing the work. Whether they have given the time to complete the work or some part of the work. So complete the work only. Let's take the times and find out the LCM of times. LCM of times will always serve as a total work. Using the efficiency equal to work by time, calculate the efficiency. So till that point, for every question, process is the same. Depending upon the last line, what they're asking us to find out, your way of approach towards the question will be different. Okay. I'm telling it once again, guys. Find out LCM and find out efficiency for the times given in the question. Okay. So rest all the process is same. Let's go for the next one. Just to confuse you, they have given like this. Just to confuse you, they have given like this. A alone can do 1/4 of the work in 3 days. B can do 1/3 in 4 days. If all the three can complete in 4 days, what part of work will be completed by B in C, like completed by C in 2 days? This is also the same model question, guys. Just to confuse you, they have given it as 1/4 and then 1/3. So after seeing the question, I can see here A, B, and C. Three people are there. Done. Next. A alone can do 1/4 of the work in 3 days. Okay. So 1/4 of the work in 3 days means one part in three. So one part in 3 days means four parts in 4 into 3, which is equal to 12 days. Okay. That means what is time taken by A? Time taken by A is 12. Next. B can do 1/3 of the work in 4 days. 1/3 of the work in 4 days means one part is 4 days. Three parts is how many days? 3 into 4, which is equal to 12. That means time taken by B is equal to 12. Done. So instead of directly giving what is time taken by A and what is time taken B, they have given like this. Okay. Now if all the three completes it in 4 days. So I'm writing it here properly, guys. Time taken by A is 12. Time taken by B is equal to 12. And time taken by all the three means A plus B plus C, it is equal to 12. Okay. So we have times. Let's find out the LCM and then solve for the question. Okay. So LCM of 12, sorry, this is nothing but 4, right? So 12, 12 and 4. What is the LCM? LCM is also 12, right? Yes, done. LCM is also 12. If LCM is equal to 12, you can say that the total work equal to 12. Total work equal to 12. Let's find out the efficiency. Efficiency of A equal to work 12 divided by time 12, 1 unit per day. Next, efficiency of B equal to work 12 and time 12, that means 1 unit per day. Next, efficiency of all the three, A plus B plus C, work equal to 12 divided by all the three are taking 4 days, right? So 3 units. So please see here, all the three people efficiency is 3 units. Okay. All the three people efficiency is 3 units. Efficiency of A is 1 and efficiency of B is 1. Okay. Can I say that efficiency of C equal to 1? Can I say that efficiency of C equal to 1? Are you accepting it? Chemical, civil, and mechanical. Are you accepting, guys? Done? Okay. So what is the question that they're asking? They are not asking me to find out how much time that C will take to complete the whole work. They are just asking me to find out how much work will be done by C in 2 days. Okay. What is the meaning of efficiency is 1? Efficiency is 1 means in 1 day he can do 1 unit. Okay. If C is working for 2 days, if C is working for 2 days, this is the meaning of nothing but this is for 1 day. Efficiency for 1 day is 1 unit. Okay. Efficiency of C for 2 days is equal to 2 into 1 and 2 units. Okay. So we have 2 units to solve for the question. But the 2 units is out of how much means 2 is out of 12, right? Total we have the LCM is equal to 12, which means that the total work is equal to 12. Okay. So the 2 units he can do. What part of the work is done means 2 units of work can be done by C in 2 days out of 12 units. That means the answer is nothing but 1 by 6, option B. Only last part of the question you should be having a clarity to understand, guys. 1/4 of the work means one part in 3 days, 4 parts in how many days? 4 3 12. Done. Next, B can do 1/3 of the work in 4 days means one part in 4 days means 3 parts in how many days? Again, B can also do it in 12 days. Instead of directly giving A can do in 12 days and B can do in 12 days, they have given like a part of the work. Okay. So just convert it into complete work, and then all the three can do it in 4 days means find out the LCM of the times given. LCM equal to 12. So based on that, you can find out efficiency. Efficiency of A is 1, B is 1. All the three people is 3. That means efficiency of C is equal to 1. And what is the question that they're asking here? What part of work will be completed by C in 2 days? Actually, efficiency of C is 1 means in 1 day, he can do 1 unit. So in 2 days of time, he can do 2 units of work. Out of total work, how much? Total work is 12. So that is the reason 1 by 6. So is it clear, guys? Or any more doubts? Only last part. What part of work means out of 12 units, 2 units of work he can do. Okay. I'll ask you a question. Just tell me that. You have a cake here and the cake is divided into 4 parts. One part of the cake you ate already. Okay. Now tell me what part of the cake is left over? What part of the cake is left over? Can you share the answer options in chat box? Yes. You have total 4 parts in the cake. A single cake you have been divided into 4 parts. Okay. So what part of the cake is left over means 3 by 4. What part of the cake is eaten means 1 by 4. So what part of the work is done by C means out of total 12. Why you have taken here 4 in the denominator? Total 4 and eaten leftover is 3. So here also total 12 and C is doing 2. That's the reason 2 by 12. Okay. Done. Super. Let's go for the next. We do have shortcuts also. When 2 people are there, I can give you a shortcut using the fractions method, guys, rather than going for conventional way to solve. A and B can do a work in 10 days. B and C can do it in 6 days. C and A can do it in 5 days. If A, B, C work together, then how many days will they complete the work? So whether it's a combination of working people and then completing the work, or it's individual, your task is to find out how many people are there. I could see A, B, C, 3 people are there. And do they have given to complete the work or some part of the work? Complete the work only. Okay. If you know the process, without any steps, directly you can answer for the question, guys. I could see people answering. Super. Let's not take more time here. A and B can do the work in 10 days means time taken by A plus B is equal to 10 days. Next, time taken by B plus C is equal to 6 days. Next, time taken by C plus A is equal to 5. As the explanation is to be clear, I'm writing all the steps. All the steps are not required. You can solve it directly. Okay. What is the LCM of 10, 6 and 5? Find out the LCM of 10, 6 and 5. It is 5 twos and 5 ones. Next it is 2 ones and 2 threes. 5 twos 10 and 10 threes 30. So LCM of the given question is nothing but 30. That means you can take the total work is nothing but 30. So this process is the same. Next, find out the efficiency. Okay. So if you are finding out efficiency, efficiency of A plus B is equal to, what is the work here? 30 units is the work. 30 divided by A plus B has taken 10 days, right? So 3 units is the efficiency of A plus B together. Next, efficiency of B plus C. 30 is the total work divided by 6. 5 is the collective efficiency. Efficiency of C plus A, that is equal to 30 divided by C plus A did in 5 days means collective efficiency is 6. Till this point, finding out the LCM for the given times of the question and then finding out the efficiencies. Till this point, process of solving the question is same. Now, what is the thing that you have to do here? You have to add the efficiency of all the three, which is nothing but efficiency of A plus B plus B plus C plus C plus C. Why are you adding means your task is to find out A, B, C, if together they are working, in how many days they'll complete the task. That means time taken by A plus B plus C is the thing that you have to answer. Time is nothing but total work divided by efficiency of A plus B plus C, right? That is the reason I'm adding all the three and then trying to find out what is the together efficiency. So 3 plus 5 plus 6. So 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, it is equal to 14. If you see here, 2 times of A is there, 2 times of B is there, and 2 times of C is there. So 2 times of efficiency of A plus B plus C, you can write here. Okay. If you want a single time efficiency of A plus B plus C, then that is equal to 14 by 2, which is equal to 7. Substitute the same here. Total work is 30. Efficiency of A plus B plus C is 7. So 30 by 7 days. Option B is the answer for the question. 30 by 7 days. Option B is the answer for the question. Okay. Are you clear with it, guys? Shall we go for the next one? Taking out times and finding out LCM.